Behind every building built, for every new road constructed, there is a team of innovative and creative thinkers ensuring its safety and integrity. And sometimes a drone. The City of Southlake Planning and Development Services Department is tapping into new innovation and will soon utilize drones to assist in site planning, building inspections, and public facility assessments. Keeping employees safe, providing City Council and boards the latest and best information, and involving the technology that we use is at the core of what we do. Drones can be used to view and inspect areas previously inaccessible due to safety concerns. It also allows the Planning and Development Service Department to provide additional visual information to our City Council and boards during the land use planning decision process. The Planning and Development Service staff is always trying to be innovative in the manner in which we provide services. By adding a licensed and certified drone pilot to our staff, we are able to ensure that a higher level of service is offered to our community and an added layer of ingenuity because we are literally seeing things from a different view. And as we continue through Building Safety Month, we continue to keep Southlake a world-class city through the embodiment of these goals.